Welcome to the Value Service GarageBand tutorial part 2. Today we're going to play in a bass line for a hip hop track using the keyboard instrument. So if we just go back to the drummer. Okay, so we've got the drummer here. We've got all the different acoustics and the electronic, and so we're going with Des. So we'll just play him. And we might want a different preset, so we're getting these up and we're going to go for the bottom one here. Okay, so now we push this button here so he disappears and we've got this window, and we're going to go with the Apple loops to find some kind of hip hop synth. So I think we'll go with this one. Again to stop it, and then hold it, drag it into the session. Okay, that might be a little bit loud, so we'll just swipe it across and just turn it down a touch. Okay, so now we need to play on the bass line. Stop for a sec, click on this button here which brings up our instruments, so we swipe across keyboard. So if I click in the middle, we've got all of these different keyboards. So if we say come up here, we've got pianos and everything, but we will just go with the synth bass and go with the hip hop sub bass. Okay, done. Play the track. Something along those lines. Try this. Okay, so we'll stop that and we're going to record it. So back to the beginning, and when I push the record button it'll give me a count-in and I will record that. Here we go. Okay, so we'll push this button again. Get back to here, and here it is in our session in green. So just play that. Okay, so that's not long enough. So we'll just click here, and we want to say loop, and then it spreads across the whole track. So we'll just play this through. Okay, that's about it. So that is how you play in the bass line. So let us know what you want to learn next, and we'll see you next time.